Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to discuss about fractional distance in a one-dimensional coordinate system. The formula for this is d equals the beginning point plus the fraction involved in the problem times the absolute value or the distance between the endpoint and the beginning point, where d represents the distance, b is the beginning point, f is the fraction involved in the problem, and e is the endpoint. So let's do example number 1. Get the coordinate of the point 3/4 of AB. Let us begin. So distance is equal the starting point -2 plus 3/4 of the endpoint, which is 2 minus -2. So the distance is equal to -2 plus 3/4. Double negative means plus, so that's 4. And let's just do it here on the side. So I'll start here. So that'd be -2 plus 3/4. Change that to a parenthesis so that you can operate on it. The denominator of this one is a 1. You know that this cancels out because it turns to a 1. So now your distance is going to be the beginning point plus turns to a 3. Okay, so -2 plus +3. The distance is 1. Well, actually, the coordinate of the point that is 3/4 from your beginning point of -2 is a 1. So that'd be 1, 2, 3. That's the 1. You know what, guys, which makes sense because I want to give you the idea of fraction here. So from A to B, there are 4 units, and 3/4 from this point to B, 3/4 of that will end at 1. So which makes sense, right? Example number 2, get the coordinate of the point 1/4 away from line segment BD. So let's go back to our line segment BD. So 1/4 away from that, our beginning point is 2 and our end point is 6. So let us begin. So our distance equals beginning point of 2 plus fractional distance of endpoint minus beginning point. Distance is equal to beginning point plus 1/4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Let's do it here on the side. So 2 plus 1/4 of 4 will give you a 1. So that's as a denominator of 1. This cancels out. And so D is equal to 2 plus 1, which will give you a 3. The 3 is the coordinate of the point that is 1/4 away from your beginning point of B. So let us look at that. So let's focus on BD. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 units in BD. And if your beginning point starts with a 2 and you want to go 1/4 away from that, so this is 1/4, and 1/4 away from that is a 3.